Oh my god. Ay, monstro, un peluche, de erizo. De erizo, güey.
Mira para acá, pobrecita.
Something did it! Something did it!
Oh, got it, got it.
Eat it!
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off, like a water slide.
Lily, would you like your chicken? Would you like your chicken? Come on then.
He does it to Talia. He does not like her. Oh my god.
You're just having a temper tantrum and I don't know why. What's wrong?
Go. Get in cage. Get in cage. Get in cage.
Oh my god, are you okay?
Oh, Lord have mercy. Did they drain me?
You kidding me? Who said that you're allowed to be this freaking cute?
Where's your ball? Nothing happened. I'm so hungry, I could eat a dog.
I got a dog food for you. Yep.
Show me your bad dog. I don't want to see any of these like good boys and good girls sitting for a cookie. Show me that bad dog. I want the one who...
I think given the separation we had, we have to be grateful.
I kid the deceased whoremonger. Anyway, since he never made out a will, I hope you will all join me.
Это скорость. happened? What happened? Huh? What happened? Stop.
Hey, no. Look at me. You naughty boy. Yes, you are. Not happy with you.
Who did this? Blue, sit down. No, you're a bad boy. Blue, stop. Nobody. Blue, listen.
Princesa, tá? Princesa, não, nem comecei. Eu nem comecei, ó, nem vai sentir, ó. Acabou. Eita, tem mais medo do que dor. Acabou.
Just enjoy the pool, bro. God.
Trip, it's you.
Pretty girl. Yeah.
Excuse you. Those are Ollie's birthday presents. No, you don't get to.
Bag up, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse. Oh, Lord.
Что ты сделал? How you doing? I know it. That's my baby. That's my baby. I know it.
And I have not behaved one single day of my life. Not one day of my life have I behaved, and I am fine.
Lily, stop. Stop. I said stop.
Ready, set,
Go. Where's that one?
What the is that?
I don't know. Somebody chucked something over the fence.
Is it over the? What is it?
One of the biggest mistakes we see during tug of war would be an up and down type of.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God!
So you start and particularly up the
Работа была большая, длительная, сложная, и все это силами наших конструкторов, инженеров было сделано.
I'm so hungry, I could eat a dog. Bye.
Dog dives to the window. Yeah, look at that tongue go.
What does he like about that glass?
I don't know if he thinks he can get in.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, Django, Halloween is coming up, so we have to practice our tricks for the treats. Okay, is that okay with you? Okay.
Okay, let's check on the dogs. Let's see, there's Reese. So there's...
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
Hey, your mom looks like a dog.
Dude.
One, two, three.
Yeah.
And she does my teeth.
Do you want a bath too?
But it's storming out. Seriously, should we go for a walk?
Getting in the bath. I'm getting. We're getting in the bath.
you want this pea? Do you want this lemon?
Nope.
I thought this was a good idea. But I think he likes it when the door is open and can just freely go in and out. So this was kind of a silly purchase.
Oh, Jesus. That was a tongue.
He's missing you.
Kayla, get your boy.
Drop it now.
You're not going outside again. No. Lay down. Lay down. No. Lay your ass down. Lay down.
Did the devil raise you?
All right, baby. Just remember, it's really slippery out here. You're so cute. Go ahead. It's slippery. Be careful, baby.
Sonny, why are you fucking a human, dude? Can you stop standing, please?
No, ya ahorita te voy a mandar unos videos y unas fotos.
A situação da cachorra pra pegar o ar-condicionado. Essa cachorrinha é terrível.
Bang! Good job. Good job.
Wow.
You're a good boy, Cody. Good boy.
They're eating the dogs, the people that came in. They're eating the cats. They're eating the pets.
No, Belle. Don't take off your paws out. Belle, get off. Come on, go.
has your bed up there for a reason. No, 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 no.
You want cheese?
Deidre? Deidre, look at me. Did you touch Congo? Oh! Deidre.
Hey! Stop! Stop! No! Toca la puerta. No. No. Toca la puerta.
How much soda did we get?
Show me your bad dog. I don't want to see any of these like good boys and good girls sitting for a cookie. Show me that bad dog. I want the one who sits on the fifth.
Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. What you doing? Hi, lady. You a good girl.
You waiting for your mummy? Why are you sitting like a human?
Lexi! Jack, are you okay? Jack, I can take the sweater off if you don't like it. Sir. Sir. No. No. Stop it. Sir, they go on the couch. Odin.
Haciendo aquí el bulto, ¿verdad? Como ustedes comprenderán, yo tengo un ayudante muy ayudador, ¿sí? Entonces ya...
It's been a minute, but he back at it. Quando, you back at it, ain't you?
Bruh.
Would you like to go walking to the movies with Daddy? Is that a yes?
Mama.
Get that one, Tristan. Tristan, get it.
He did. He just let it go so she can play with it. What? Voy a otro lado al perro.
Para tenerlo en una azotea. Come on, let's get out. Come on. Let's get out.
Chuck it then.
I decided it's a prank because...
Wait a minute. What do you have? Give me that sock. You give me that sock. Give me that sock. Give me that sock. Give me that sock. Give me that. Come here. Give me that sock. Give me that sock.
Don't just stay where you are. This is important. That's really important.
Oh no!
Calm down, boy. Hey, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. No, you calm down.
Look at this silly little dog. He wants me to... Oh! All right, watch as soon as I pick it up. He wants to eat in bed. I know he shouldn't be in that angle, but it's what he wants.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Para ir.